Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Yesterday we punctuated some lines of the paragraph, and today we are going to continue with that paragraph. We are going to punctuate some more. We are going to punctuate the lines that we left yesterday. Okay. Full stop. So then here, M is capital. Okay. Mom would never allow this if she were at home. Full stop. There is full stop. Okay. Full stop. I opened a pack of Oreos and started munching. Full stop. I capital first person. It's always capital. I was sprawled on the floor when the bell rang. Full stop. W capital and inverted commas begin. Who would it be at this hour? Note of interrogation and inverted commas close. Thinking this, I opened the door, I capital, and all my plans to have cold drink and cookies were dashed. Full stop. Mom was back. So this is it. Okay, you have to punctuate it, and this is very important in English. While writing, you have to keep in mind the punctuation. Punctuation is very important. You should be you should be aware about that, why to put full stop, why to put a note of interrogation, why to put inverted commas, and why to write capital letter, and how to start a sentence. You should be very well aware about that, and this is all possible because of punctuation. Practice it, have a look on it, take some exercises, have a look on some grammar book. कोई भी ग्रामर बुक अगर आपके पास है तो वहां से आप कोई पैराग्राफ लीजिए या कोई 5-6 लाइंस लीजिए और उनको पंक्चुएट कीजिए. ठीक है. Mr. Carvalho is missing his nose. He has been searching all over the town and has even circulated this poster. Have a look. Missing. So his nose is missing, and see how to write a poster. This is poster writing, and poster writing is very important. It comes in ये board exams में आते हैं, 10th class 8th या 10th के board exams में ये poster writing आती है. So see how to write a poster and what information should be given on the poster. Okay. Have you seen this nose? Is missing. Okay. Have you seen this nose, Mr. Nose? Age 30. Height 6 to 8 centimeter, not sure. Weight 850 grams. Last seen in a Riga stagecoach near Rio Street. Likes the smell of authentic Russian Madovic. Answers to the name State Councillor. If you have any information, please call this. Okay. So what is a poster? A poster can also be made to promote a message. Like what? Smoking kills. Write a poster on it. How to write a poster? आप स्मोकिंग किल्स का अगर मैसेज देना है आपको कि धूम्रपान जो है, सिगरेट पीना जो है, वो सेहत के लिए बहुत ही हानिकारक है, तो उसके लिए आप कैसे पोस्टर बनाएंगे? आप एक सिगरेट का स्केच बनाएंगे और उसके ऊपर एक क्रॉस डालेंगे, वो उसका ये होगा. A poster can also be made to promote a message and bring out awareness among people about matters that concern everyone. It can also be used to advertise or give information about products or services. Sometimes it's also used to ask for help. So poster किसके लिए होता है? It's used to promote a message. It's made to promote a message. क्या किस तरीके की मैसेज? यही कि smoking kills. Let's take this example. So let's take this example. ये poster जो है, it's used to promote a message. For example, the message smoking kills. Smoking जो है ये, okay, and bring out awareness among people. और लोगों में बेदारी पैदा करना about matters that concern everyone. For example, dowry. हाँ, ये मैटर है. और अवेयरनेस अबाउट टुडेज COVID-19, इसके लिए अवेयर करना लोगों को. सो इट कैन ऑल्सो बी यूज टू एडवर्टाइज और गिव इंफॉर्मेशन अबाउट प्रोडक्ट्स, फॉर शैम्पूज, फॉर सोप्स, फॉर टेलीविजन, फॉर मोबाइल फोन्स एंड ऑल. ओके. Sometimes it's also used to ask for help. If you need any help, for example, you have to donate, somebody is poor and you have to donate some money towards that towards those poor people. Okay, what would they do? They will give, for example, somebody needs nowadays we see that somebody needs an organ or something else or blood. What do? You give an advertisement or you write a poster कि blood group O negative or O positive, name of the patient, age and mobile number, phone number. Okay, so the poster is for that purpose. Okay, now create your own poster or on any of these topics. A missing friend, spreading awareness regarding noise pollution. Missing friend, so जिस तरीके से इसने यहाँ पे nose को दिखाया गया है missing, what would you do? You will post a picture of your friend on a poster, and you will write what is his age, what's his name, and what's his weight. आपने लास्ट सीन वो कहाँ पे मिला था, ये उसको क्या पसंद है, उसका हुलिया कैसा है. You will write that. Okay, spreading awareness regarding noise pollution. आप noise pollution के एतबार से क्या करोगे कि noise pollution क्या है, आप क्या लिखोगे. आप एक माइक बनाओगे या कोई स्पीकर बनाओगे, उस पर आप ऐसे क्रॉस दोगे कि noise pollution is not good for health. What are the precautions that should be taken while for stopping this noise pollution, for eradicating noise pollution. Okay, so this is poster writing is very easy. This is just for making aware about some specific any specific matter that for that purpose. Okay, and for giving information, for advertising products and for advertising some services that we are providing this service, we are providing that service. So for that poster you can make use of poster. We have finished this lesson. We are done with this lesson. Tomorrow we will start a new chapter, that is the village blacksmith. Okay, so this is done. I hope you have got this lesson. I hope you have got the grammar I taught you. So till then, stay at home, stay safe, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.